How will you be graded in this class? It is pretty simple, and it's something important for you to know and understand. This is the way your grades are broken down. You see here, this is the smallest category, but not necessarily the least important. Your participation is worth 20% of your grade. And within that 20%, these are the three main things that make up your participation grade. By watching the videos that you are assigned each night, once you have completed watching a video, you will receive points just for watching the video. That is one of the big things that goes into this participation grade. Second, almost every time that you have a video to watch as an assignment, you're going to have a mini quiz that follows along with that video. So a mini quiz is just that. It's a small quiz that's going to kind of figure out how well you watched the video, how well you completed your assignment. These quizzes are worth points, and you only have one try to take these quizzes. So you want to watch the videos as closely and with as much attention as you can. Take as good of notes as you can, because you're going to have a mini quiz to determine whether or not you spent enough time and energy watching the video. That also goes into your 20% participation grade. The last thing that goes into the participation grade is your participation chart and all of the activities that you find on that chart. Your participation chart is going to walk you through all the activities that you need to do in order to prepare for your quizzes and your exams. Those are things that you're going to find in your textbook, things that you're going to find in the workbook, and things that we'll do in class as well. Most of the things on this participation chart are going to be graded for completion and accuracy. So that means when your teacher comes by to check that you've completed the activities on the participation chart, we're also going to look to see that you did the activities accurately. It really doesn't do any good if you rushed through the participation activities and the practice just to get your points, because if they're not done correctly or if there's errors, you're going to have to go back and do them again until they're satisfactory. The next big portion of your grade is your quizzes. That is 30% of the grade. These quizzes, there's usually going to be 3 per chapter. There's going to be one quiz for vocabulary part 1, another quiz for vocabulary part 2, and finally another quiz for the grammar topics that appear in each chapter. These quizzes are not too long. They're going to be taken on Sakai online, and the use for these quizzes is for you to determine how well you understand the material that you've covered so far. If you don't do so well on one of these quizzes, that should be an indication to you that you need to redo some of the activities, go back and re-watch some of the videos, ask for help, have a classmate help you out. You are welcome to retry the quizzes, take them again. You're going to get different questions each time, and the quiz is going to be a little bit different every time you try to take it. Now, the most important part of this grade chart are the exams. That is worth half of your grade. So that means preparing and practicing is this half. That is getting you prepared and getting you comfortable with all of the information so that you can then demonstrate with this half of your grade that you have mastered the chapter. The 2 things that are going to go into this exam portion of your grade are obviously 1, the exams themselves, and 2, the projects that go along with each chapter.